I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain.com, and this is my review and installation of the rugged Ridge Door Hinge Kit, available in both black and stainless, fitting your 1987 to 2006 Wrangler. Today we're going to talk through the installation of this hinge kit, which is a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench installation. You'll be able to get these bolted up to your Wrangler in under an hour, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. We're also going to talk through the construction and a few of the features of these hinges. There are a couple of different reasons to want to swap out the door side of your door hinges. One is that the paint is starting to flake off of yours and you want to replace them with something that has a nice fresh powder coat, or in the case of the polished stainless version, a stainless finish that isn't going to rust or corrode. Now, another reason to swap these out is just that you like the look. Either you're going for a blacked out look and you want to install these black hinges, or you're going for the stainless accent look. The stainless hinges are available. You can also get these, which are the door side of the hinge, and you can get matching in either black or stainless body side of the hinge to really complete the look. These are a steel hinge that's covered in a semi-gloss black powder coat, but as I said before, there is a polished stainless version available as well. These do come in a set of 4, so you have enough for both doors of your TJ or your YJ. They are direct fit, so they'll bolt right in place of your factory door hinges, and they'll work on either your full doors or your half doors, whichever you have. Getting these installed on your Jeep is a breeze, and as I said before, I'm giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches in about an hour to get them installed. All you'll need to do is close your door, go ahead and remove your mirror from your top door hinge, and then go ahead and remove the 3 Torx bolts that are holding the hinge to the door. Now, if you have the door closed firmly and you still have your bottom hinge in place, nothing will move, so you won't have to realign anything. Then go ahead and remove that hinge, drop the new hinge into the body side of the hinge bracket, and install the new hardware, finally reinstalling your mirror. After that, it's just a matter of repeating for the lower hinge. Of course, you won't have the mirror down there, and then repeating that whole process on the other side of the Jeep. You won't need any specialty tools, but you will need some Torx bits, because the bolts that hold your factory hinges in place are a Torx head. I think these are a very fairly priced set of hinges. For around $50, you're getting all 4 of them. The finish on them is very nice. Of course, the stainless is going to be a little bit more expensive, and even by the time you consider purchasing the tub side of the hinge, if you do want them to match, you're still not going to be in these for a ton of money. The black or the stainless are both going to drastically change up the look of your Jeep, and especially if you're replacing chipped paint on factory hinges, these are going to look good for a low price. So no matter why you want to change the factory hinges on your door, either because the paint is flaking or you're just looking for a different look, these are going to be an inexpensive and easy to install option. So that's my review of the Rugged Ridge Door Hinge Kit, fitting all 1987 to 2006 Wranglers, that you can find right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.